Are you tired of losing leads because you cannot follow up fast enough? Or maybe you're paying hundreds of dollars a month for software tools that do not even work together. Welcome back to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at ClientForce. This is a brand new platform that claims to replace your entire sales team using AI agents. But does it actually work, or is it just another hyped-up tool? Let us find out. Here's my honest first impression. If you are struggling to close deals or you hate doing manual cold outreach, ClientForce is a massive game changer. It doesn't just send automated emails, it makes real AI voice calls, texts prospects on WhatsApp, and sends dynamic proposals on your behalf. For the one-time price of $47 during this launch, it is an absolute steal. Stick around because I have put together a massive custom bonus package that you will only get if you grab it through my link below. So what exactly is ClientForce? It's a cloud-based platform that lets you build and deploy perpetual AI sales agents. You set up an agent once, give it a specific goal, and it runs your entire sales campaign from start to finish. It finds leads, engages them, handles their objections, and books meetings on your calendar 24/7. This tool is perfect for agency owners, affiliate marketers, and local service providers who want a self-running sales engine without paying huge monthly salaries. It solves the biggest problem we all face: good leads going completely cold because we took too long to reply. Let me walk you through how easy it is to use. Once you log into the ClientForce dashboard, you simply pick what kind of agent you want to build. You can choose a done-for-you playbook or start from scratch. Next, you train your agent. You just upload your pricing pages, case studies, or website links so the AI knows exactly what you're selling. Then you turn on the auto prospector. The agent will pull fresh leads based on your keywords and immediately start reaching out. The absolute best part is the unified inbox. You can see email replies, WhatsApp messages, and even read text transcripts of the AI voice calls all in one single thread. It's completely hands-free once you hit launch.
Manual prospecting, scattered follow-ups, delayed calls, proposals sent too late, momentum lost before deals ever move. That's the old way. Now imagine if that entire workflow ran automatically. Meet ClientForce. ClientForce deploys AI sales agents that prospect, message, call, and close on autopilot. You start by telling your agent the outcome you want. Book qualified demos, close lost deals, revive cold leads. Upload your PDFs, pricing pages, case studies, and links. Set your quiet hours. Define your caps. Choose your tone. Your agent learns your offer and goes to work. Your pipeline refills itself. Finder V2 continuously sources net new prospects based on your rules. Upload your own list. They're verified and deduplicated automatically. Website visitors get routed instantly. Found someone while browsing? Add them in one click. Every lead flows into the right campaign, automatically. Then the orchestration begins. One coordinated flow manages email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and AI voice. If they open, it adapts. If they reply, it responds. If they don't engage, it pivots. Every contact gets the right touch at the right time. And when timing matters most, AI voice steps in. It runs discovery, handles objections, suggests times, books the meeting. Tuesday at 10 or 2:30, calendar inserted. Summary logged, next step queued. From there, proposals generate automatically. Built from your materials, personalized to their pains, tracked in real time. You see exactly how long they spent on pricing and what they click next. Every interaction, email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, calls, bookings, proposals, lives in one unified thread. With next best action prompts guiding the follow-up. ClientForce doesn't just send messages, it connects your entire sales ecosystem. Through Zapier and native integrations, a single booking can create the calendar invite and Zoom link, register the webinar attendee, update the CRM deal stage, alert Slack, log to Sheets, even send a Stripe payment link. No extra tabs, and you always know what's working. See which steps book meetings, which flows close revenue, and monitor deliverability and number reputation, so your outreach stays healthy. From cold lead to booked calendar to closed revenue, deploy your first AI sales agent today.
Now, let's talk about the pricing and the optional upgrades. The main software, ClientForce Premium, is just $47 one time. This includes a free commercial license so you can sell this entire system as a service to your clients. But there are a few optional upgrades you should know about. Upgrade 1 is Pro for $67. This unlocks advanced automation and premium closing templates. Upgrade 2 is Unlimited for $297 a year. This removes all limits on your campaign so you can scale as big as you want. Upgrade 3 is the Agency license for $97, allowing you to manage multiple client workspaces from one dashboard. There's also a reseller option and a social agent upgrade. If you have the budget and want everything, I highly recommend the bundle deal for $397 a year. It gives you the entire funnel at a massive discount. To make this an absolute no-brainer, I have put together a massive custom bonus package that perfectly complements ClientForce. I mentioned these earlier, and they're designed to help you get results twice as fast. When you buy through the link in the description, you get all 10 of these exclusive bonuses for free. Bonus 1 is Client Extractor. This software scrapes local business data from Google Maps so your AI agents have instant hot leads to contact today. Bonus 2 is Leadbook Generator to pull targeted leads directly from Facebook into your pipeline. Bonus 3 is Opt-in Monster to capture high-converting leads directly from your website. Bonus 4 is WP Swift Page Plugin. AI agents close better when your site is fast, and this speeds up your website instantly. Bonus 5 is Conversion Equalizer to automatically boost your ad campaign conversions. Bonus 6 is Unlimited Agency Rights to Xdeally, giving you another high-value software tool to sell directly to your clients. Bonus 7 is Lead Generation Authority Gold, teaching you exactly how to build massive targeted buyer lists. Bonus 8 is Sales Page Recycler, so you can easily duplicate and test your funnels without starting over. Bonus 9 is Auto Support Bot, adding automated live chat to any site to capture even more inbound leads. And Bonus 10 is the Email Profits Formula, so you can maximize the revenue from every single lead your AI agent captures. These 10 bonuses are worth well over $1,000, but they are yours completely free when you pick up ClientForce today. However, you need to act fast. The $47 lifetime deal for ClientForce is only available during this early bird launch window. Once the countdown timer on the sales page hits 0, it turns into an expensive monthly subscription. Plus, my custom bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonuses down for good. Click the first link in the description right now to secure your copy and claim your bonuses before it's too late. That wraps up my ClientForce review. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software reviews. To get your bonuses, just check your Warrior Plus receipt page after purchase. The bonus access link will be waiting right there at the bottom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.